Alright, this is trip 2 Hogan Lake right here. Second trip this year. 2011. All this.
That's Frank. That's Kag.
Look.
Hey, Mao.
That's Hmong. That's Mongo. Tiny. And Mao la.
Look at that.
Ma. That's Ma right here. And look at that big ass perch right there.
Yeah.
Damn.
And we max out. Look, we max out.
Yeah.
Just a morning. Yeah.
Son.
Yeah, sure. One in the morning?
Nah, yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys.
We did okay.
Okay, what do you mean okay?
We didn't max out
Yeah.
yet.
That's fantastic. I come here and clean this in the morning, so now you guys can just clean when you're done.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Oh man, that's fantastic. Where are you guys from?
We're from Stockton.
Stockton?
Yeah.
Not too far.
Yeah, about like 35.
Yeah, 35
40
minutes.
minutes.
Yeah. That's cool. Wow, that's fantastic. You guys did good.
Alright,
Go, guys.
now we about to go home, but we gotta clean the fish tire.
Hurry up, home.
But we had fun. Look. Mấy chị Hà cho video đó.
Good job.
We max out. That's all I can say.
Try plant a talo.
Flash and Frank.
Not this time. What you gonna look clean?
Có phai đấy mà chú chẳng có tận. Có phai, có một trà mà phai đây mấy. Bitches.
Không muốn có phải không chút cái.
Yo, bỏ nó không. Nó video Cindy line. À sao nhặt rồi anh lại rồi. Sao cái này. Hey, this was mine. có một cổ nhưng mà phải cho cổ nhà cơ.
고 우실라.
어디서 제?
아, 저 사몬 독래.
어디 우실라?
그 말에 고.
그 말에 뭔지 bảo
Để bảo chú Frank
hả? Dạ 군주 군주
mấy cái mấy mất trả
mong gột trả
Bring it on then, dog.
Sorry, but you know. Chỉ sót sữa. Okay, that's it. Now I have to do work and clean the fish. So that's it. Later.
Clean the fish.